Hello, 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 everybody. This is Victor's Garden. I want to see if the potatoes I planted have any potatoes because I know there's some wilted leaves. So I want to check to see if I get any small potatoes yet, which I think I should, but we'll see. And to show you some other things I have growing in the garden. Okay, I'm hoping I have some small potatoes that I can make a small meal with. Okay, let's see. Let's see what I have. Okay, let's see what else. Okay, I'm hoping I get enough to make breakfast or something. And some small ones, trying not to damage anything. Trying to do that very delicately. Delicately to see what I have. This one is a bit bigger. I am not going to remove anything from there except some small potatoes. And I'm hoping I have something to make a small meal with. I planted 4 pieces of potatoes, which I had 2 potatoes and cut them in half. So I had 4 pieces. Let's see. I don't want to press too hard so that I don't damage anything. What I'll do is, and look at that, this one is small, but I don't want to press any more towards it or from it because I don't want to damage. I'll show you the final products, the final amount I harvested in a later video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.